Hi, this is Chinmayi, and to all skincare junkies, today I'm going to be speaking to you about an interesting new device I found on this website called QVC. Let me take you right through. Today I'm going to be speaking to you about this very cute device called the Defiderm, and I got to know about this from an Instagram live, and I bought this off this website called QVC. They had a sale around Black Friday and Christmas, and I bought it around that time, and I was captivated by this device for the very simple reason that it claimed to track your skin conditions based on pigmentation, hydration and oxygen levels. And there is another device like this that a lot of K-beauty junkies use and follow called the Way Skin. So the Way Skin is priced at about $80 on sale days, and otherwise I think it's pegged at about $120. So I kept thinking that perhaps I should get it and maybe I should not get it. So I was just thinking about it, it was on a back burner. So now the Way Skin is a very cute donut shaped skin analyzer device, and this is also a skin analyzing device that you can connect to your iPad or your phone. The first thing that you need to do is download the Defiderm app from the App Store or the Google Play Store onto your device, and then with Bluetooth, I mean of course with any electronic device, as soon as you buy it you charge it fully for the first time, then you connect it via Bluetooth to your phone. Now I like this concept of trying to see if my skincare is going anywhere, if I'm doing the right thing. I like this scientific evidence sort of a thing. So this is of course an at-home device, and right now my skin is bare. I have downloaded the Defiderm app. The only small issue that I had with it is that it asked for a verification code. You enter your phone number, a verification code will come through. It just didn't come through on my Indian phone. So I had to enter a US phone number, and the verification code came through instantly, and then my app was up and running. So I did communicate this with the Defiderm people via Instagram, and they did respond immediately, and they said they will fix it. So if you're caught, if this catches your fancy, I really like it, and I see how the readings on my skin change as soon as I analyze. So there are three ways that you can use this, not three ways, there are three readings that you need to do each time. So what you could do, this keeps like some sort of a log on how well your skin is, as I told you, on oxygen, pigmentation and hydration levels. So you first measure it on your forehead, then under your eyes, and then on your cheeks. So this automatically logs onto your, this data is captured on your phone as soon as you as this is placed on your skin, and then you see over time how your skin is improving and if the skincare that you're using right now is working for you. I was, as I said, fascinated by this, and I am using it. So what they do suggest is try and use this first thing in the morning on clean dry skin, and then probably take a reading the next day and the next day and the next day to see if there is improvement in the long run. So let me take you through on how exactly my skin is right now. After actually I have not been following through on my skincare for a few days now. I've just let my skin breathe. I do take these breaks, so I'm going to see how my skincare is and if my skincare is working for me. So I've turned down the device and it's asking me to turn it on. I will switch on Bluetooth, which is usually off, and now it's connecting. As you see, it has mapped out my forehead, my cheeks and my under eye. So hydration, skin pigmentation and skin health in these three areas will be red. So as I said, for my first reading, I'm just going to place it at the center of my forehead, and you'll see my hydration is at 76.8, skin pigmentation is 34.3 and skin health is at 48.7. There's much to be desired in the skin health section. For the cheeks, I have placed it at the center of my cheeks and I press it once. This is on my right cheek. Hydration is 59.3, pigmentation is at 38.4 and skin health is 43.9. I think there's some improvement here from what I read it last. And for under my eyes, Hydration is 76.8, pigmentation at 23.7, and skin health is pretty bad, as you see, it's at 38.9. Now after I use my regular daytime skincare, we will see how this looks at. Now the skin analysis is that they have congratulated me to say that my skincare hydration is pretty high, and whatever I am doing is pretty good so far. To increase my hydration levels, they have asked me to use hyaluronic acid, shea butter, jojoba oil, and meadow foam seed oil. I don't know what that is. For skin pigmentation, of course, they have told me to use sunscreen, skincare with papaya extract and cucumber. And for skin health, basically oxygen levels are very low on my skin, so they have asked me to use peptides, vitamin A, and glycolic acid. So I guess I need to look at skincare that contain peptides, vitamin A, glycolic acid, and avocado oil. So this is what I am going to be doing. What they have advised is, for an added skin boost, you can use avocado oil 2 to 3 times a week. It's an excellent antioxidant that will help your skin regenerate faster and more efficiently. So let's go ahead. I shall go ahead and do my morning simple skincare, and we'll see if there is any difference in the data. So as I said, these were the readings for my skin today on absolutely bare skin, and once I put on my skincare, I'm going to take you through how the readings change, right? So let's go into it. So I started with the toner. This is the Hada Lobo Arbutin Essence, the Cosrx Galactomyces. This is the NIOD pigment that I have been testing for about 20 days now. Then of course the tea tree essence from Lee Ji Ham. I then use the Ordinary's vitamin C suspension 30%, and then finally topped it off with the Neutrogena Healthy Skin Anti-Wrinkle. This claims to have vitamin A, that is retinol, and I picked it up at one of these drugstores in the US. So this is actually an interesting nice moisturizer with retinol and with broad spectrum SPF 15. So this is my daytime skincare for today. So let's take the measurement again for my forehead. Let's see how the hydration and pigmentation and everything else has changed. Yay! So the hydration has bumped up to 81.6, skin pigmentation hasn't really changed, skin health has improved to 50.6. For my cheek, let's see, the hydration was a little low. Hydration is also bumped up 81.6, pigmentation hasn't changed, and skin health has improved a little bit. And for the eyes, oh, it's really good. 86.7 on the hydration, and skin health has also shown a slight improvement for 42.7. I didn't really use an eye cream because I have run out of it. So that is a scene. So one of the consistent readings that I have gotten on this app is that I need to introduce vitamin A, or basically retinol based products. I already use the Sunday Riley's Luna, I think the Luna Night Oil. So I guess since I have started my 30s, I need these anti-aging products onto my skin. So vitamin A is going to be one of those first things that will combat aging, number one. And then it has also suggested that I use something called macadamia nut or macadamia seed. Okay, macadamia nut, let me just agree on that. This oil and also vitamin E to also increase the oxygen levels on my skin. So I'm going to be trying that, and probably about after about a month or so, as soon as I get my hands on a vitamin A product, let me see if it has made a difference onto my skin, and I'll keep you posted. I'll leave a link about the Defiderm and their website down below. You can also follow them on Instagram. As usual, I am not being paid for this. Whatever I am sharing on my YouTube channel is out of my own volition, and I just share what I pick up. So you could purchase this off QVC as well. Ebates has a great, as of today, has a great money back policy, I mean cashback policy for the Defiderm. So just keep, if you are on Ebates, I will also leave the link down below and perhaps do a video on how exactly Ebates works for you. So you could purchase this if this catches your fancy, and see how exactly this device could work for you. Of course, this is strictly for skincare junkies. You don't really need this. Another thing that I would definitely like to add is, as was mentioned while they were featuring this on QVC is that as soon as you go into a skin analysis, they will show you the ingredients that are required for your skin to improve. They don't typically take you to a product page or to a landing page of a different website and ask you to buy skincare products. They only ask you to look for these ingredients in the skincare that you buy. So that is something that I thought was really nice. There's a certain genuine feeling that I get from a device like this when there is no clickbait about going and shoving more skincare down our throats. They have left it to us to decide the kind of skincare that we can go and buy, and they have particularly mentioned about the ingredients that we should look for, and that's what I liked most about this device, in addition to of course the analysis that it gives me on a daily basis. So this is a little bit of a tool that I indulged in. I'll see you in my next video, and until then, this is Chinmayi saying ta-ta-ta-ta. Today I'm going to be I'm just going to be giving you my thoughts about the Morphe 36O Contour Brush Set.